Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making hand-pulled noodles. Not the one you have to do this. This is an easy one. Easy dough, easy recipe, and cook with a lot of vegetables. Tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplant. Today I'm adding pork in the noodles. Also, you can make a vegan version. Don't add pork or any meat. Let's do this. Now making the dough, just flour. So this dough, just water, flour, and salt. Very easy, it's just vegan noodles. Now gradually adding water in. Start with low, gradually add water and salt. I scrape down. Turn the speed to medium until you see the flour shape into a bowl-shaped dough, and then take it out. Then squeeze it, try to test it. Oh, it's very flexible. Knead the dough a little longer until smooth. See the consistency? Pretty good. Get a bowl, put on the side. I like to cover with a cheesecloth like that. About 30 minutes. So now we prepare the vegetables. For this dish, I always use tomatoes and potatoes. Also some green vegetables you can use, like a bok choy. Today I have some cabbage I can use. First, I stir fry all the vegetable, so I cut them in pretty small pieces. I'm making a pretty big portion today. It's about 300 grams of flour, noodles. I have a lot of kids. You can cut the recipe in half. I also like a Chinese eggplant. Any other vegetable you like, such as asparagus or cucumber, if you like, zucchini. Now we cut some potatoes. Cooking oil. Always like some shrimp peppercorns. Roast them in the oil, get some fragrance out first. Then we put ginger, green onion, ginger, this is the garlic, until they are fragrant. Here's the ground pork. So if you are vegan, you don't need to add this. So the vegan version, you can chop some mushrooms or no meat. This is not a lot of meat. This is just for flavoring the sauce with the tomatoes. You see that? Turning the color. Then I add some Chinese cooking wine. Oh, finished! Finish the bottle. Some soy sauce in the meat. Now we add the tomatoes. We stir fry for a couple minutes, then we add the other veggies. Potatoes. Eggplant. Yeah. If you're adding any leafy vegetables, you can add it later because they just cook it in a few seconds. Flip is kind of heavy. That's not required. 2 cups of water or chicken stock, even better. So now we let this cook, let the tomatoes cook the juice out. Now we put the lid on medium high. We cook 10 minutes. Then we put noodles in. Now let's check. The soup is ready for the noodles. Now we turn this heat down to low. Look at that. Take a piece, this on the side. Just a smaller piece, easier to pull. Like this, little thin piece. That, maybe not that pretty, but tastes good. Make it flat, pull it in. Just cook this noodle in this delicious soup. And this recipe for dumpling wrappers too. So sometimes I make dumpling wrappers, leftovers, I make noodles. Now we mix some. And white pepper. Adding your green veggie. I'm adding some cabbage. Wow, a lot of veggie. Let's try one. They are ready. Add some green onions, some sesame oil. Let's serve myself a bowl and rest for my kids and my husband. Here, let's try this. Noodles is so chewy and fresh. Family, if you like those noodles, please subscribe by ringing the bell. I will see you next time. 我们下次再见。